Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TheLiveEngineers. In today's video, we are building a dynamic testimonial box with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This component automatically rotates between testimonials and include a progress bar, navigation buttons and smooth transitions. To begin with the project, first we need to create one index.html, style.css and one script.js file inside our directory. Then in the index.html, give this exclamation mark and create the general structure of the HTML body and edit the title and given content, and then open it with the live server to see the live page. So now let's start structuring our page. First, create one div with the class name of testimonial container. Inside it, create one div with the class name of cont, and inside it, create one div with the class name of progress bar. Then include this font icon from this link, and now use one div with the class of FAS, FA quote left, FA quote. It will generate one quotation mark, and similarly copy it down and make it left to the right, so the both left and right quotation mark are created. Next, create one paragraph with the class of testimonial, and inside it give some content. Let me write it. Then outside this paragraph, create one div with the class of user. Inside it, first give the image. Let me get the image from the Google and paste the image address here. Then in the alt text, give user and give class as user image. Then below this, create one div with the class name of user details. Inside it, give one h4 and give class as username and write one name inside this h4 tag. And below it, create one paragraph and give it as a role of this user. Then outside this div here, create one div with the class name of navigation buttons. Inside it, create one button with the class of previous button and write the content as previous. Copy it down and write class name as next button, the content as next. So we are all done with our HTML code. Let's begin with the styling. First, give this general code, margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing border box. Then link our CSS to the HTML body. Now that the CSS is linked, let's start styling the body. Give background color into body, font family of your liking, display flex, align item center, justify content center, height of 100 VH, margin of 0, padding of 20 pixel. So now the content is in center. Then select this testimonial container class and give background color white and the color of little black stripe. Given a border radius of 15 pixel, box shadow of 0, 4 pixel, 20 pixel and RGB color of less opacity, margin 20 pixel auto, padding of 40 pixel and 60 pixel, max width of 800 pixel, position of relative, text align center, minimum height of 300 pixels so that it will not grab. Then next, select this FA quote class and give color of bluish, font size of 40 pixel, position of absolute, top of 20 pixel. Then again select this FA quote left class and give left as 20 pixel and copy it down, change this left to right and give right as 20 pixel. So now everything is visible correctly. Next, select this dot testimonial class and give line height of 1.6, font size of 18 pixel, margin of 20 pixel and 0. Then after this, select this user class and give display flex, align item center, justify content center, margin top of 20 pixel. Then next, select this user image inside this user class, this user image, and give border radius of 50%, height of 80 pixel and width of 80 pixel, object fit of cover so that the image will be in center, border of 2 pixel, solid and a little bluish color. So now you can see it. Next, select this user details class and give a styling as margin left of 15 pixel. Next, select this user name class inside of this user and give margin of 0, font weight of 600, font size of 20 pixel so that the username will be a little bolder. First of all, give one class name to this paragraph as role. Then select this class name and give a styling as font weight of normal, color of little blackish, margin of 5 pixels, 0 and 0. Now it is looking great. Next, let's select this count class and give a styling as background color of little blackish color, width of 95%, margin right of 0 and auto. Next, select this progress bar class and let's generate this progress bar. Give a styling as background color of bluish color, height of 4 pixel, width of 100%, and transform origin to the left, and animation grow 10 second linear to the infinite, and one border radius of 2 pixels so that it will look curve type. Now let's create this animation. Use keyframe and give a name as grow. At 0% the transform scale x should be 0. So now the progress bar is working. Next, select this navigation button class and give a styling as display flex, justify content of a space between, margin top of 20 pixel. Next, select this buttons inside of this navigation button class and give a styling as background color of little bluish, color of white, border of none, border radius of 5 pixel, padding of 10 pixel, 20 pixel, cursor should be pointer, font size of 16 pixel, transition of background color 0.3 second. And when we hover over this button, if this class navigation button.hover, the background color should be a little bit darker than the original one. Next, let's create this media query. It is not necessary to create, but let me create just in case if we need anywhere. Now we are all done with the styling. Let's begin with the scripting of this page. First, link this script file inside our HTML body. Use the script tag inside it src and link the file. First, we need to select all the elements, so we will use query selector. We'll say const testimonial container is equal to document.query selector, and inside it select this class testimonial container and give dot testimonial container. Next, select testimonial, so say const testimonial is equal to document.query selector dot testimonial. In the similar way, we will select all the other element as user image, username, role, previous button and next button. Now that we have selected all the elements, let's create one array of the testimonials. Inside it, I will paste the content which I already have. You have to create one array with the data inside should be name, position, photo and the text. So I already have this. You can get it from the Google or anywhere else. Next, give one let index is equal to 0. Next, we need to create one function with the name of update testimonial to update it every time. So we will say const update testimonial is equal to anonymous function. Inside it, give const name, position, photo, text is equal to testimonial, inside it index. Actually we are destructuring this array, and below this give testimonial dot inner HTML is equal to text, user image dot src is equal to that photo, username dot inner HTML is equal to name, and role dot inner HTML is equal to position from our array. Next, create one function with the next testimonial. So we will say const next testimonial is equal to anonymous function. Inside it we will give index is equal to this bracket index plus 1 modulus testimonials dot length, and update testimonial. It will do what it will do is it will fetch the next testimonial. In the similar way, we need to create one previous testimonial. Say const prev testimonial is equal to anonymous function, index is equal to again this curly braces index minus 1 plus testimonials dot length modulus testimonials dot length, and update this testimonial function. Next, we need to work on these buttons. So we will say next button dot add event listener. The event will be clicked, then the next testimonial function should run. In the similar way, we will use for the previous button also. We will say prev button dot add event listener. The event should be clicked, then the prev testimonial function should run, and we will set one interval at every 10 seconds, that is every 10,000 millisecond this next testimonial page should run. But the buttons are not working. Let me check what the error is. So Actually here we need to give one testimonials instead of testimonial. So now the testimonial are changing, the pages are changing, the content is changing, but it is not correct. Let me inspect it. Actually we forgot to give class name here, so give here class name as user details. So this look great, but still this progress bar is not correctly working. So for it we need to select this class, say const progress bar is equal to document.query selector, inside it this class progress bar. Then in the update testimonial function, use this progress bar dot style dot animation is equal to none, progress bar dot offset height, and progress bar dot style dot animation is equal to grow 10-second linear for the infinite time. But still it is not working. So actually here we have this type, give a style, edit it also a style, still it is not working. Okay, so actually give it as offset height. So yeah, everything is working correctly now. Still this left quotation is not visible, so let me check in the HTML where is this issue. So we gave this class name incorrect, so let me change it to class, and now everything is fine. So there we have it, a modern dynamic testimonial box with auto switching and navigation buttons, perfect for showcasing client reviews. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.